In the midst of pristine natural beauty, stands an architectural innovation that is not only a place to live, but also a reflection of the perfect harmony between man, design, and environment. Welcome to Casa da Mata, a modern loft created with the vision of uniting the internal and external spaces in a natural and sustainable way. Casa da Mata is the embodiment of simplicity and elegance. Every corner emphasizes minimalist design combined with high-quality materials. Inside, Brazilian-designed furniture brings an authentic local touch. More than just aesthetics, it carries a rich story of tradition and craftsmanship, making it a cultural element that enriches this contemporary space. Not only does Casa da Mata look stunning, it is also built with cutting-edge technological innovation. The loft structure uses monolithic EPS panels, a material that offers excellent thermal and acoustic insulation, while being lightweight and durable. This choice of materials reflects a commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency, making Casa da Mata a perfect example of eco-friendly design. Casa da Mata is more than just a house. It is a vision of the future of architecture, where sustainability, innovation, and tradition coexist in balance. Here, beauty is not just seen, but felt, in every detail, every material, and every connection with nature. Casa da Mata teaches us that conscious, sustainable design can create housing solutions that not only meet our needs today, but also respect and celebrate the beauty of the world around us. What do you think of this approach to architecture? Let us know in the comments.